Hi guys, let's unbox Galaxy A16 5G, the cheapest Samsung phone in Canada available, and the Galaxy Fit 3. SIM pin, charging cable. This is empty. Let's start this. Starting. Meanwhile, let's open this. I was supposed to open from here. Anyways. Tracker. Let's start this. Starting. What else? The charging cable. And just documentations. Pretty nice. Here I want to show you the close-up of this phone. I have set it up. Here you can see SIM tray, 3 cameras in the back, power button and volume up and down, bottom USB-C and speaker. Here the tracker. Love the interference. You can go here and there for everything, up and down. Simple button, really like it. So this is how it looks like. These are the charging pins. No ECG, just the heart rate. Really nice setup, I like it.